Bella Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Yeah, we know that Christmas can be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars